I ate one meal a day for 30 days, and here's what happened. Ever heard of the one meal a day diet? Yes or no, whichever the case, maybe I'll recommend you sit tight as I walk you through just about everything you need to know. First off, the one meal a day diet is exactly what it sounds like. It's a plan that restricts you to just one meal a day. In essence, you'll get to eat whatever you want, but of course you can't go beyond a single meal. For the most part, the diet plan is created to challenge or traditional views on food intake and nutrition, and according to a few doctors, that could be the key to sustainable weight loss. Well, guess what? I decided to try the diet plan for 30 days and figured I should make this video to let you in on the pros and cons. Of course, at the end of the day, you'll decide if the plan is for you or not. Let's jump right in. Pros: it's simple and straightforward. As I mentioned earlier, the one meal a day diet comes with one simple rule: just eat one meal a day and you're good. Essentially, there's no need for calorie counting, complex meal planning, or special ingredients weighing and the likes. You just have to stick to the simple rule. You'll get to eat all your favorite food. This is perhaps the biggest highlight of the one meal a day diet. It gives you the freedom to eat whatever you want, say sweet potato chips, ice cream, cheeseburgers, and more. Well, I wouldn't recommend you eat everything at once, though. Reduced appetite. Well, I don't know if you're going to experience this, but I discovered after fasting for most of the day, I didn't have the urge to eat too much afterward. Well, at this point, I'll just stick to the claims that fasting shrinks your stomach and makes you want to eat less. You can give the plan a shot and, of course, see if you feel the same way. Sustainable weight loss. Finally, the whole idea of eating one meal a day can be incredibly effective for weight loss, but of course, there's a pretty reasonable catch. You have to try not to overeat at your one meal. Remember, weight loss is the plan, so do your best to stick to it. Cons: hunger pains. Yes, this is clearly the biggest drawback of the one meal a day diet. To be honest, I felt the hunger pains at first, but of course it got better as I grew more used to the routine. So what's the point? Well, the diet plan requires you to tolerate a certain level of hunger right off the bat. This is the only way to start the journey and stick with it. No, I wouldn't recommend you try the one meal a day diet if you're prone to binge eating. You may actually end up seeing little to no result, low energy levels. As most of you know, any diet that restricts your calories can make you feel lethargic. When you start the one meal a day plan, there's a good chance of feeling more tired than usual. I also experienced it. What's more, people who rely on sugary snacks to get an energy boost may find it hard to stick with the plan. Parting words: the one meal a day diet plan is clearly not for everyone, but of course you won't be wrong to try it if you can keep up with the rule. After 30 days on the one meal a day diet plan, I actually lost a couple of pounds and I felt really good about it. Who wouldn't stay fit? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.